I'm 1, 2, 3 fat butts. Come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grummies, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do.
Good evening, Grummies. Today is Tuesday, March the 31st. This is Slurilla Z. This was one of the first ones I did in the little seed starter. Nothing made it. I'm killing this one off. Everything I went seed to soil with afterwards all popped fine and look beautiful. Look like this. All the other plants look like this. Miss K's got one little shitty one like this. A little bit better condition. I'm going to let her go for a minute. But I don't think it'll make it either. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try to get this tallest one here. I'm going to try to get this fucker out without messing it up. I'll pluck this one out. Make a little hole and see if we can't get it in there. And then we'll have two decent Slurilla Z's. Probably not going to have one of Miss K's, but it looks great, so we'll be alright. I'm just trying to get one for some neighbors, you know. I got mine. I'm just trying to get what I can get. See what I say? Back in flash. Okay. Alright, sorry, little Slurilla. He just won't dare, man. And a little bit enough. Let me a damn hole here. Pull up a chair. Alright. Take a little Eugene here. See if I can loosen the soil up a little bit. Pull him up real slow. See what happens. What the hell are we at? I don't even get it. I think we can get it, Grummies. Need a bigger hole to. Ooh, getting shaky. Nervous as a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. It's the lights out and there'll be lights out here in just a few minutes. So hopefully we won't stress her out too much. Let me put you on hold for a minute. I'll get a little syringe. Well, give him a little juice. Yeah, just grab my spray bottle. Can't believe I still got the juice, Kermit. Damn, it's almost 8 o'clock. I've been going at it. Hopefully, we'll have 2 Slurzillas. The other one definitely won't go make it. Let me get him on back in there and I'll give you a little peekaboo what we got. Okie dokie. I actually knocked my light back to 30%. I got a little bit more stretch than I'd like, but they ain't stretching too hard now. I was trying to save one of the calves that was in here, and this one, she was laid over in the damn dirt. And she was laid over dead yesterday before I knocked the light back to 30% and put the humidity dome back on and all that good stuff. I don't know if she's gonna make it or not. I doubt it. Very highly doubt it. But there's Miss Kay's other rock milling haze. She looks good. Get Mr. Man's blueberry. And this was the ones we just transplanted. This one stayed in this pot. And this is Dragon Sclerzilla. There's a Cas Parodiform. And there's another original one still down there. That was the first everything I popped into a little seed starter thing. And everything else, you can tell by their offset. They're offset. Everything else was seed to soil. I just stuck a seed on it and it was sitting on the top of the ground and pushed it down with my finger a little bit and covered it up. All that shit's gone off. I don't know what the hell happened with the other ones. I think they popped and then got fucking cold as shit. Screwed them up. That's the only thing I can think of. One other thing. I'll go ahead and spill the beans. I never washed Robert's seed starter out. I never washed the damn thing, so I don't know whether there could have been some residue or something. But I don't think so. I think they just got cold as shit. We're rocking now. Have a fantastic night, Grummies. I gotta switch tags. I gotta get this tag over there in case this one don't make it. I gotta hold on to that tag. I've been needing it for the outdoor grow. Oh shit. Cheers. Appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.